Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to increase WordPress memory limit. Let's get started. So if you want to check first how many memory have you consumed, you can scroll down and then you can see in here the option for this tools. On this tools, you can see the site help. Click on the site help right here. And then once you have done that, next thing you need to do is to head over right here to info. Click on info that you can see in here. And then once you have done that, you should be able to see all the information on your site. So what you can do is you can see or click on this directories and sizes and scroll down. And in here, you can see this space used. As of right now, it used for 113 megabytes and I have a quota of 200 gigabytes. That means I have a lot of space available. However, if you also want to increase your space just like what I did, what you can do is you can head over here to upgrades and you should be able to see all the plans that WordPress offers. So you can see in here this ones. So there are two plans. This one has 50 gigabytes and this one has 200 gigabytes. So I'm actually subscribed to this ones and that actually increased my WordPress memory limit. So make sure to just head over and then try to subscribe in order to increase your WordPress limit. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.